Hello guys, and welcome to Cooking with Ioannis. I will attempt to explain what I'm doing here and what's my motivation for putting together all this channel and all this information for you. As you can see, I live in London, which is very obviously not Greece, and I've lived here my entire adult life. And what I discovered was that I wanted to cook for my family and my children the sort of stuff that I had when I was growing up. But of course, how do you do this when you're relying on supermarket bought ingredients? You cannot find the stuff that you want, or the stuff that you find are not as good as the ones that you would find back in Greece. Well, the idea was to produce wonderful traditional Greek recipes that you can make with the stuff that you can find in the supermarkets here without actually spending a fortune. I've put together, therefore, a series of recipes that you can find on my channel. Some are traditional Greek stuff with meat, some of them are vegan recipes that can help those friends of ours who are trying to go vegan or are interested in reducing their carbon footprint. I hope you enjoy the recipes, I hope you enjoy the channel, and if you do, make sure to press that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the new recipes. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for your support, and I hope you have a nice meal.